Hello, Scott here with SkipperBud's in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. Here's one of our new 2024 Harris Cruiser 210. This one's the SLDH layout, dual captain's chair. Beautiful black. This particular boat does have the safety rails in the back. This one is a pontoon, equipped with a Mercury 60 horse command thrust. You can see a little bigger prop, gear case for a little bit better maneuverability. Heading on up, we got a nice 4-step ladder here. Head up on in the inside of the boat. Nice big sunbed in the back, and this is the lounger, so this does flip back and forth. It also lays all the way down into a bed. And you've got lots of storage underneath the seats. And like I said, this is the dual captain's chair layout. Nice helm here. It is equipped with a Clarion Bluetooth stereo. Rated for 10 people. Nice cutout furniture, so plenty of places to store towels, handbags, things of that nature. USB ports and cup holders built in. There on both sides. And heading back again towards the back of the boat, you got again your 2 captain's chairs. Nice lounger. There's a gate here so you can shut off the back of the boat. Nice fender holders in the back there as well. There's a ski tow located here. This boat's got the nice tungsten gray interior, which I think is very sharp. It does have a little bit of an extended rear deck in the back here, a little bit more room to move around. And cup holders built in all the way throughout. Let's walk through here. Your batteries underneath the head seat there. The little storage door there, you could put a changing room there if you wanted. It is a nice big wide door. Nice power, or not power boom, nice bimini though. With your light up top. There you have it. If you have any further interest or any questions on this particular Harris or any other boat that we have on our SkipperBud's website, give us a call. Thank you again.